Hi, I'm Nayantara and I work in product development at Arata. I'm here to answer all your questions about the Arata Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum. What is Arata's Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum? Arata's Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum is a scalp serum designed to slow down premature graying and restore natural pigmentation. It does this by reducing existing grays and slowing down the development of new ones. What is premature graying? Premature graying is defined as the loss of natural pigmentation or hair color before the age of 30. Studies show that up to 27% of Indians experience some degree of graying before the age of 30. And this number is only increasing thanks to a rise in unhealthy lifestyle habits, poor diet, deficiencies, UV rays, and environmental factors like pollution. What causes premature graying? Several factors contribute to premature graying, including your genetics, environmental factors like pollution and UV rays, lifestyle habits like smoking, poor diets, nutritional deficiencies in vitamins like D3 and B12, iron, calcium, copper, and even certain medical conditions like thyroid disorders or autoimmune conditions. Can graying be reversed? Whether graying hair can be reversed or not depends on the underlying cause behind it. If the cause is genetics, then it is very unlikely that graying hair can be reversed. However, if the cause is due to other factors such as nutritional deficiencies or medical conditions, addressing these factors directly and using the Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum may help slow down the graying process. How does the Arata Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum help with premature graying? Arcolis, Silver Free, and Melano Grey, which are award-winning French technologies. These actives help boost melanin synthesis, which is crucial for natural hair color. They also protect melanocytes, which are the cells responsible for creating hair pigmentation, from stress-induced dysfunction and oxidative damage. Further, these actives help restore the natural pigmentation by activating specific genes involved in the melanin production process. This synergistic approach helps combat premature graying. Will the Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum reverse existing grays or only prevent further graying? The serum will not reverse the color of existing white or grey hair. Instead, it focuses on encouraging new pigmented hair growth, which over time improves the ratio of pigmented hair to white hair, reducing the overall appearance of grayness. What roles do biotin, caffeine, and keratin play in this formula? Biotin is a vitamin that is essential for hair growth and hair health, while caffeine improves blood circulation to the scalp, improving hair growth. Keratin helps strengthen the strands, and together, this trio ensures faster and healthier growth of new pigmented hair. Is the keratin used in the Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum vegan? Yes, the keratin used in Arata's Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum is a vegan alternative to animal-derived keratin called Gluadin Kera LM, which helps reduce hair surface damage through deep micropenetration. How long will it take for me to see results? Results will vary based on individual factors such as age, genetics, and the severity of your graying. But clinical studies on active ingredients have shown results in just 90 days of consistent use. How often should I use Arata's Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum? For best results, the serum must be applied twice a day, morning and night, for at least 90 days. Do I need to apply the serum to my scalp or my strands as well? The serum should be applied only to the scalp, as that is where your hair follicles sit. How should I use the Arata Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum? Part your hair in multiple sections to expose your scalp. Hold the bottle approximately 1 to 2 inches away from your scalp and apply liberally, ensuring your entire scalp is adequately covered with the product. Using your fingertips, gently massage the serum in to promote absorption. For best results, apply the serum twice daily, morning and night, for at least 90 days. Can the Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum be used by both men and women? Absolutely, the Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum can be used by everyone. Can the Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum be used on the beard as well? Yes, the Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum has been dermatologically tested to be safe and non-irritant. So it's completely safe to use the serum on your beard as well as scalp. It is also water-based and extremely lightweight, so it won't clog your pores. Is the Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum cruelty-free and vegan? Yes. All Arata products are cruelty-free and vegan, including the Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum. Can the Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum be used by all age groups? Yes, the serum can be used by all age groups, but if you are below the age of 18, we recommend you consult your dermatologist or healthcare practitioner. Can the Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum be used by all scalp types? Yes, the serum is safe and suitable for all scalp types, whether dry, oily, or sensitive. I hope this helped answer any questions you had about the Melano Boost Anti-Grey Serum. If there's anything else you'd like to ask us, please comment down below or write to us at info@arata.in.